Hello friends, the Atlas of Arts channel is with you. This video will be a continuation of the lesson Universal Formula for Drawing Any Face. I will leave a link in the description if you haven't watched this video yet. In the last lesson, I drew this portrait of a woman using a universal formula. And today I want to do an experiment. According to this universal formula, draw two faces, a man and a child, and check in a practice how it works. I took a photo from the last video and printed out two pictures to repeat the formula exactly. And I myself am very interesting to see the result. I will draw with a pencil. I have two pencils, a regular and mechanical one. Also an eraser and a twisted napkin to soften the pencil. I'll start with a man's face. The bottom of a man's face is always bigger. I make this part bigger. The nose is wider and lower. Lips are smaller than in my universal formula. I draw eyebrows lower and bigger. Close eyes a little. Already the face shows that it's face from man. I add a short hairstyle. The neck also wider. Next, I increase the speed of the video and will apply shadows. I will make a drawing similar to the first video with a portrait of a woman. What I made in the picture. First I put shadows and show the volume. I draw with 3B soft pencil. Also with shadows, the main lines of first formula should be not visible. With second step, I make all the lines soft using a twisted pressed napkin. This is paper from a regular printer, so the pencil doesn't fit as well as on a normal drawing paper. I need to apply more layers than I usually do. So I make shadows even darker. I want to use exactly my last drawing, my last formula, so all lines are visible through the portrait. But I really confirmed my idea. This formula is universal for any portrait. So I'm finishing with detail, shading and contrast moments. Because I still want man's portrait looks finished and beautiful for sure. make head a little bit bigger. Where is hairstyle? If I add a beard, then there are no more questions at all. Here you can see one formula and two faces, man face and a woman's face. And now I will move on to drawing a child. By the way, I didn't need a mechanical pencil for a portrait of a man. So, in the face of a child, I have transparent eyebrows and very big eyes. And for this, I will make it with a mechanical pencil. I make eyes bigger in the lower part because there is a dark line in the upper part of the drawing from the printer, and I can't take it away. If it is noses line, I can make eyes bigger in upper part too. But just in this case, I make it in lower part. The child's nose is bigger and it looks up. The child's lips are bigger than on the formula. The face is round with a separate chin. The neck is very short. I draw a child's hairstyle. Normally it's not a lot of hairs. The ears can be made a little bigger. I also make head bigger. I start working with a pencil and show shadows. The video speed has been increased. I have painted a lot of portraits and now I have no problem with applying shadows. I already know where they are exactly. The drawing is the same. I put layers with shadows, soften them, and repeat again to create more volume. I'm very happy with my result. According to one formula, I have female, male and child faces. I will be very glad if my video will be useful for you. Write me, did you know about such a universal method before? And did you like it? Thank you very much for watching this video and see you again in new lessons. Bye.